To think that a man who started as a draft door boy down a mine could look around at his community and think this is wrong and this needs to change, and to have the kind of will to go all the way to becoming the man who kind of made the NHS happen. It really gets to me just thinking about that. Growing up in Wales, there are certain things that are just sort of part of your DNA. Things like, male voice choirs. They push lots of buttons for you as being a Welsh person. Dylan Thomas is another one, and Aneurin Bevan is another one. For something that is so beloved and so respected, and a man who has cast such a large shadow, you would think that there would be a proliferation of films, but there's not. And presumably that is because it's just so complicated, so difficult to know, well, how do you tell this story?
Tim Price, the writer, has been working on it for 10 years, and he first showed it to me probably 5 or 6 years ago. And so we've gone through drafts and drafts. And I think Tim's initial idea and real stroke of genius is to go, rather than just do the biopic, let's take one moment and extrapolate out of that all of the story of what he did, and his life is told through a man under morphine, dealing with dreams and ghouls.
It's a story and a play that seems to really bring people together. Everyone has an experience, everyone has something that they can relate to in it, and to be able to take that out and make it totally accessible to people, I think is brilliant, and particularly at this moment in time as well, where the values that underpin what the vision of the NHS came out of need to be remembered again, and there needs to be a reimagining of some kind to have the boldness and the audacity that Bevan had.